All right. What's up, everyone? Hope you're having a good afternoon so far. Welcome to the afternoon sesh. We're here. We're doing it live. We got a W this morning. We're coming in for the afternoon session to get a W on the afternoon session. You know how we like to do it, guys. Come on now. Come on, guys. The power hour is real, man. You already know. The power hour is real. What's up, power hour? Let's go. Put the chat in view here. What up, Peter? What up? Yeah, man. We worked for it this morning. Got about 20 points on the Nasdaq in the private group. And killing it, man. And you know, there's surprises up my sleeve with these guys. They don't even know what's coming. Oh, what? Oh, but it's gonna be good, man. What up, Peter? Okay, let's get over to the charts. Let's see what's going down. Let's see what's going down or up. One of the two, right? What's going down? What's going up, guys? Smash the like button. You know what's up. Smash it. Let's get it going. Get the YouTube algo popping off in here. I don't know what's going on with this trading view chart, though. Probably should fix that first, eh? There we go. How about the Trump pump, huh? Anyone get a win? Type W if you got a win today so far. Let's go, guys. Let's get it pumping. Let's get it rocking. All right. Where is... What up, Troy? What's up, brother? What up, dog? Can you hear me okay? T-Money. Can you hear me? Audio source. I should probably click that. Yeah. Yo, T-Money, you there? Yo. Hey, check.
Yep.
Okay. Cool. It's weird because you're not up on the screen. I don't know. Let's see. What's going on there, man?
What up, Lewis, Peter, Tobez?
Oh, yeah, bro. Looking pixelated. I don't know why. That's weird. Because it looks really clean on the other camera, but just on YouTube, it's like super pixie. Still looking good, bro. You're still looking good. You're good. Damn straight. All right, guys, let's get the likes going. Come on, we got 10 people in here, 4 likes. Let's get the YouTube algo sprung up in the power hour, baby. Who's ready to get a W? Another W for the day. We already got one on the board. This morning, we did a little Addy ad, a little dangerous DCA. As actually, it was ladder ordering. Okay, if you know anything about what I'm talking about, give me a W in chat, you know, if you got that with us this morning in the private group, in the you know, alpha group, we'll call it. But yeah, we did all right. It took about 20 points off the table. It was all right. And yeah, man, so now we're looking at this power hour, and really, I mean, power hour and a half. Who's coming on here 30 minutes earlier for you guys? Huh? Who's doing that with the win streak like we got? Come on, man. I mean, really. Really? Come on. Hey, by the way, Troy, if you're in chat, if you're in this, like, can you just say something in the chat on YouTube so I can make you an admin? Because I know Stuart's an admin, and I don't know if he's in here. He's probably in here, but I just want to make sure you were an admin too, just whenever you can. Yeah, guys, let's like the channel. You know, let's do it. Let's get it going. Oh, what do we got going on in the charts, eh? Nice. I'm seeing the hearts. I'm seeing the love. Oh, that's so sweet. Thanks, guys. That's what I'm talking about. I'm feeling the love over here. Oh, my heart is melting. Oh, stop. Oh, stop. Wow, look at Bookmap. Holy crap. Wow. Look what I'm looking at on Bookmap. Look at this. Look at all the liquidity we grabbed. When we were talking, Troy, I wanted like so badly to tell you price is going down to take this out. I wanted to tell you that, but I didn't because we were in the middle of a convo about business. But I saw it and I was like, oh gosh, we're gonna take all that out. There's no way we don't take that out. Don't you love Bookmap? Guys, Bookmap is pretty badass. I gotta say, it's like cheating sometimes. That's what it feels like. It kind of feels like cheating sometimes. Yeah, so anyways, seeing into the future, yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it is like sometimes, Peter. All the time, actually. Think about it. You guys are all fortune tellers in training. All of us. That's what you're doing. You're trying to read the future. Pretty crazy. Anyway, so let's get back to the charts. Let me open up the charts and break this down, okay? There's really nothing to break down. That good stream, guys. All right, see you tomorrow. we faded and consolidated, and now we're headed back up. We have a range, so we're inside of a range right now. I'm looking for potential longs, but I'm gonna be honest with you, the momentum has shifted, right? The momentum has definitely shifted. I mean, I say I'm looking for longs. I don't know. I'm neutral right now. Yeah, I'm completely neutral right now. If I had something else showing me, then I'm not gonna say what it is, but like if there was something else showing me that I'm using that's highly valuable, then I would have a direction. Maybe on a lower time frame, we clear this range and pop up. But right now we're just inside of a range, and that's it. Building some trend line liquidity, potentially a little trend line liquidity here, but that's about it. I don't see anything else. I see liquidity. You know, I see liquidity. I see a trend line on the bottom. I see liquidity. I see, you know, the highs of the day. I already know that this ES pumped the highs, right? Don't we have a new high? Yeah. So no more than 3-4 days in office, then we have a new all-time high in the stock market. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, right? Imagine you become president and like 3 days later, there's all-time highs in the stock market. You'd feel pretty badass. I would feel like it's me. You want to know why the market is pumping? It's me. Just saying. Yeah, so also looking at just like some inefficiencies that got filled down here, but there really wasn't much, right, Troy? I mean, look, we still got that 4-hour gap. You know, the market's curling over. It's curling over. The Nasdaq looks very weak. I think you said that earlier, right? You said the Nasdaq looks weak, and you said that back here. And even though she did make all-time highs and kind of negated this little SMT potential, but Nasdaq still looks potentially weaker than the ES. The ES pumped to all-time high. Look at that. Look at the run. And the Nasdaq didn't.
Yeah. Well, the ES is almost all-time highs. Is it on your chart?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, mine, it's not there yet. So, but yeah, they're still high time frame SMT. So, really.
Oh, is there a high time frame? I didn't check the higher time frames.
Yeah, and there's there's some lower time frame SMT as well. That's giving the illusion that we could go down. We've just been sitting here bouncing around all morning. I mean, we really haven't moved much.
Yeah, it's been a little stagnant. Yeah, we did have a win this morning with the live crew. And
a lot of trend line liquidity below us.
Yeah. So, but just to answer your question, Nguyen, I don't know if I'm saying that right. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but Nguyen Vo. Yeah, basically we had a trade this morning with the live crew, man. Getting it with the live crew. Yeah, I'm gonna be hosting this 4-day challenge, by the way. I'm sorry, a 2-day challenge, and we still gotta dial those dates in, but I think it'll be next week. Let me get that up here. I'll show it later.
Or don't show it at all. Just tell them where the link is, and they can go check it out for themselves.
I meant to post it earlier, man. Yeah.
Well, it's in the description, so.
Yeah, it's
if you're interested in learning more about Mike's strategy, or figuring out, we're finding out that a lot of people that come and watch us on stream, like, they don't really even know what kind of trader they are. Like, they just know that what Mike's talking about seems legit. They watch him place trades and make wins, but they don't really understand what it is or how they can learn how to do it themselves. Well, it's scalping for one, so you have to have time, and then they join, and then they're like, oh man, I don't have time for this. Like, I'm a swing trader. Well, I need some training on swing trading. Well, we have that. Like, it's just not as prevalent. But when you join the challenge, you take that challenge, you join that group, you can kind of figure out what kind of trader you are. Whether you don't have a lot of time, you need to focus more on swing trades, or you can day trade if you've got time for that, mornings, or if you've got hours where you can sit there and devote some hours to the chart, you can swing trade. So it doesn't take hours to swing trade, but you do have to hop on and get on and look for a trade, and sometimes that takes a while. And if you're a busy scheduled person, you just can't. It's very difficult to do. So yeah, join the challenge, and you can learn more about who you are as a trader, and see if maybe we can help you go further. Make some money.
That's it. That's exactly what it is, man. That's exactly what it is. All right, so for everybody that is in a trade, type in right now and tell us what you're in. If you're not in a trade, type patience in chat. If you're not in a trade, type patience. Get a feel for the room, see who's in what. I know there was some swing traders this morning too in the live crew. They're like, yeah, I've been in this trade for who knows how long. LP, nice. Patience. Type P for patience if you're waiting.
Flash PMI tomorrow, 9:45. That's going to get things moving.
Yeah, it's kind of a prequel to the actual PMI that's coming out.
Yeah, we had to ban somebody. I had to ban somebody today, just a minute ago, before we got on here
Bye.
in our group. I had to ban them.
Damn. What happened?
Yeah, one of our members reached out to me and said, "Hey, this chick's spamming me in the DMs, telling me about, you know, the trader Peter, you know, that you see in all like the YouTube videos. Dr. Peter, you should come check him out. He's a great trader."
Wow.
Or Dr. Travis, or you know, whoever it is that you see in all these videos, like spamming in the comments. Well, she made it into our group with a card that was never going to work, and kind of started spamming people through their DMs, and I was notified, and she got removed swiftly.
Troy, kicking ass, taking names. You body slammer, bro?
Let's just say she got some pics in her DMs that she might not appreciate.
That is
she
hilarious.
violated our rules of our group, and
right?
Yeah, we don't let anybody slide for that. You know, one offense, you're out.
Yeah, later.
Because we love our people and our community, we covet our community, and when somebody new comes in and starts making it like a Discord or something like that, or Telegram, you know, I don't know if any of you guys are on Discord or Telegram, but it's like all the time. You get people, "Hey, can I talk to you?" Or, you know, it's like, it's whoever you follow in a group, it's them. It's like somebody that's copied their profile and like wants to be friends with you, and they try to get money from you or steal your wallet address or something, you know. And we protect that, and school does a really good job with that already. That's why we're not on Discord or Telegram, but some people do make it through and they get body slammed.
Hey, get body slammed. Let's go.
Peter says she got a pic of the monster. That's hilarious.
We didn't say it.
That's hilarious.
We didn't say it. Oh, dude, we're cruising right now, man. Nice, man. This is good. I'm liking it. I'm liking the stream right now. Everything's moving along. We're feeling good. Oh yeah, baby. I realize my mic is pretty hot. Yeah, I got a hot mic.
Little echoey.
Yeah. Relax.
All right. We got 17 folks in here watching us. We've only got 10 likes.
Oh, that's
Smash
a problem. Oh, we can't take trades.
Smash. Yeah.
We can't take trades till you smash it.
Oh, 2 people immediately bailed.
Immediately
said that.
They're like,
"Oh my God, he's gonna make me say something."
That's too much. I'm not paying them my likes. They're worth more than gold.
There you go, Peter. Told you hit that like, y'all.
All right, cool. We already got W's for the day, man. We don't need anything right now. I'm chilling. Baby.
What are you seeing in that book map, dog?
Yeah, let me switch over there. It's good. That's a good. I'm looking at it, but I'm not sharing it. You know, it's like a secret. You know what I mean?
Now only 13 people literally bailed when I said that. So apparently that's a bad thing.
Don't ask for likes in your. It's so tacky. Don't ever ask for likes in your stream. Yeah. It's very tacky.
I think people just bounce around to all the people who are live trading right now and seeing if anybody's talking about getting in a trade.
That's what I do. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. You guys didn't know that? I'm just copying other people.
Every fourth word that you say should be like, "Okay, I think I'm about getting into a trade."
Yeah, we're thinking about getting in, guys.
That's the
Yeah,
retention
we're
word.
looking at getting in pretty soon. I'll keep hammering that. Whoever's in here, you get the joke, right? They're like, yeah, dude, but then I don't really know like when you're gonna get in. Hold on, that's defeating the purpose. I'm looking at getting in a trade very soon, very soon. We need some more likes. This is ridiculous. Oh, I can't say that. Oh, no, people are gonna leave. Don't leave.
All right, we got 13 likes and 15 people, so that's good. It's not bad.
Dude, we make so much money trading that I don't care. You know what I mean? And we do it live.
Peter says I'm ordering my laptop Sunday. Sweet.
Okay, enough messing around.
Motivational healing. Ooh, I like that. I need some motivational healing. Motivation healing. Very soon, market close. If you're in our group, you need to reach out. We need some motivation, some healing.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, market's just kind of trickling along. Hopefully something kicks off here pretty soon. Kind of coming into that.
Thinking about going in, guys. Thinking about going in.
Power.
We're getting close. We're getting very close. We're getting close. You need to be patient. Just hang in there. Be patient. I see whoever signed up in our Midas Touch challenge. That's cool. It's gonna be good. Yeah, we're gonna crush it, man. We got 27 people that just signed up, and we're gonna crush it in here, guys. It's gonna be really good. So if you want to find out more of how we trade, go join it. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, 22,000. 22,000 is like key level up there. Obviously, that's where a lot of that liquidity is at, and looks like we're just moseying along here, little consolidation range before market picks up again. So just gonna be patient here before we have anything else going on. I know we see this. You see this trend line. It's really all I got. I don't really have much else to look at. I know that's an hour. Let me go down on a 5-minute time frame. We're gonna be looking for scalps. So scalps are gonna be quick ins and outs. Notice VFL in that 1 minute. Those guys in our group, you already know what that is kind of saying right now, right? You should know. I've said it a bunch. So we'll see. We're very neutral though. The trend is very neutral. We haven't really done much. I think I like ES better for a trend perspective. Look at the ES trending today really nicely. So
the Dow trended pretty nicely too, if you look at that chart.
Oh, it did it? I don't even have the Dow up anymore on this. I got tired of looking at it for a while. What am I looking for? Shelf. Shelf didn't really get respected. That's not what I'm looking for. What am I looking at? Oh, that's what I was looking at.
The Dow moved like 500 points.
Damn, really?
Just cruised. Yeah, just cruised up there.
Let me get 3 in here. I think I got the Dow right here. Bam! See that? Boom! Wow, look at the last time I had the Dow open. It was down here. Had to be, because I haven't really moved the chart. It's way up there. Dang. All right. Let's cruise in. Take a look at the Dow if I can maneuver correctly. Wow, what a day. What a day. True day open down here, midnight. Woo. Yeah, 395. Let's see. She went from the lows. Damn, dude. It's a huge move. Yeah, it's huge. Huge move. Yeah, so ES kind of still doing its thing, trying to get back up to the highs. Faded down to the shelf that it never tapped. That's why I teach you guys this, because it's just nobody else is showing you these shelves like the way I'm showing you. I'm the shelf king, baby. This shelf move is fire. From the wicks, not the body. You're not talking about the breaker. This is a breaker. That's why I got breaker block on there. But there's a shelf overlapping that. Sweet. That's sweet, bro. Sweet like candy. Okay. I'm going to go back down to 2. I'm not really interested in those other ones. I'm not interested in that other thing called the Dow. You know what I'm saying? Let's go back to nasty. All right, clearing that 5-minute range now. Is she gonna push? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, 22,000. How far are we from 22,000? Do I have the book map thing? No, I don't. Okay. Let me put the book map hotspot in here. This looks very probable. Why, you ask? Well, you know, a lot of people train on liquidity, but they don't actually teach you what it looks like outside of a candle that you can't see liquidity on. I showed you guys this morning, if you're in the group, hey, who in here liked the little footprint chart thing that I was showing this morning? Do you guys get value out of that? Let me know in chat. I'm wondering if that actually kind of made sense and why, you know, you could use that. You don't have to use Bookmap. I mean, that can show you where the volume is at. It's not going to show you necessarily liquidity, but didn't that make sense? I hope that made sense. That was the whole goal. I tell you what, man, my computer's working hard right now. I guess I'm doing too much. I don't know. I mean, this puppy's, she's working hard. Might be time for a new computer. She's only 2 years old. Shouldn't they last like 10 years? Apple or Mac? That's the question that I'm going to ask. Let's see here. So we got a V for value, I'm guessing. Hurry up and wait. Yes. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I'm glad you got something out of it, Lewis. The footprint charts are how you actually see volume within a candle. All right, pop quiz. I'm going to put a poll up for you guys. See if you guys get it right. How many people do we have in here, Troy?
10.
Okay. We're going to ask this
now.
question. Okay, hold on. I'm going to ask this question. Hold on. Let's see if you guys get this right. Hold on. If you guys get this right, you win a private cruise.
All right, so I do think we could potentially cruise down. If we do like a one shot for life here on that last swing, we could be cruising down.
Yeah, that's true. We're rolling over. That's why I'm like, I've just been waiting.
Yeah.
You seeing anything from lower time frame perspective there, Troy? Anything like that on the chart, Troy? Come on, Troy, just give us the damn move.
I'm just saying that if we break that previous structure on a 5, that swing point on a 5, we could probably go down and take out that liquidity below us. That's the only thing I'm seeing right now.
I'm gonna mark that out. That is not a bad idea because we did grab the highs. So we have high time frame liquidity up top that we did grab. So 15-minute breaker block down here. I'm thinking in the future, it's not a breaker block yet. Don't kill me. Don't judge me either, okay? I already have a W for the day. How about you? I know some guys in here do. Don't be judging me, okay?
Right now, it's kind of like there was a bullish breaker, but it didn't really get respected. But I don't know, maybe it's retesting it again. It kind of went through it and then went right back up. So that makes me feel like it wasn't a very strong one.
Right. Oh, can I only do 2 options? Oh no, I can add. Okay.
But that'll be kind of the NAS tipping its hand. But look, man, we really haven't moved a whole lot the whole day. It's just choppy.
Really. Yeah, very choppy. Very choppy. That's why I played the bottom of the range at the morning session. Remember? All right, little pop quiz for you guys. Let's see if that's popular. See who gets this.
So we do have what they call like a hidden SMT. It's the only thing I'm seeing as far as SMT goes. Nothing's really shown its hand on a lower time frame. Go to a 1. Well, actually, yeah, there is a little bit of an SMT on a 1 too. So if the NAS doesn't take out that high right there, keep my eye out on that.
We got 4 votes. How many people are in here? 14 people. Put your vote in, peeps. Don't be shy. Come on. It's anonymous. Okay, if you get it wrong, it's okay. There's no wrong answer, by the way. That's the thing, man. There's really no wrong answer. Your trading style might be, you might use ranges for what you use them for. I don't know. I'm gonna tell you what I think, though. Let it go, baby. Let that poll run. I should put a Nancy Pelosi poll. That would be more popular. Should Nancy Pelosi be investigated? Yes or no? Yeah, guys, we're looking at potentially going in here soon. Very soon. Just gotta wait for it. Very, very soon. Very soon. Very, very soon. Look, we're looking at going in on a trade very, very soon. Okay? I'm just gonna keep saying that so you know it's true.
There's a little bit of a volume divergence there at those 2 lows, 2 on a 5, like those 2 swing points on the 5. It's like we made a lower low on the volume, but the swing point's higher. So price is going up.
Okay, I'm going to tell you what I see right now is a range. So the highs need to be shorted. The longs need to be, the bottom needs to be long. It's that simple. There's your borderless range. Until we break outside of this range, the tips over here are kind of like your wick entries. So that's what it is right now. Now, if you catch it wrong and you can make it a cheap trade, but that's what it is. It's a range. So play the range. You know, you got about 14 points. You can make it 12. Catch a little scalp move right there. Make it a cheap trade. Give it like 8 points, 7, 8 points to the stop. Try to get a runner if you want to trail stop, or just take it at 12 because that's the bottom of the range. You know, you could even make this like 11 point, 10 point move, 11 point move. There's nothing wrong with that. She hasn't retested the top of this range yet, so I'm a little more bullish than bearish. But I do see that volume divergence. I mean, it makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense right there. So
what price could be doing right now is going up and taking out stops and then
true.
go down.
That's very true. That's why I say make it like a cheap a cheap trade, right? If you're gonna do it, you make it a cheap trade because she could come up here, grab stops, you could get in more at the tip. I'm giving you kind of like what I would think the ninja-ish entry to a consolidation range. If she's done, because she did take out the lows of the consolidation range. So now that she took the lows, she's coming up retesting the highs. And you got to look at time as being a factor. 1 minute to go. If she closes outside of this range and she pushes like she's doing, right? Then it depends on where she closed. You got 50 seconds now. So there's the highs. Grabbing these highs. Is price going to get sucked down into the range? I don't know. I mean, the ninja move is these wicks. And if you think 8 points is a big deal, you're out of your mind. Like 8 points is nothing. So I know some, I would even say you could go deeper than that. But to keep it cheap, to keep it like relatively inexpensive for a little testy test, a little look-see-loo, a little window shopping action, if you know what I mean, then you could just keep it cheap. You know what I'm saying? If you're looking to buy peanut butter, then might be an idea. $10 is right here. You're looking okay. You did close. See this candle body, how we close up into those wicks? I don't love that because that's momentum. So wick test to the downside would be here. This little wick test would be right here. And let's see that on a 1. Let me see it on a 1. See the 1 minute, how that's just a wick? Yeah, I mean, I think we fade back a little. I think Uncle Mike might be right. You know what I'm saying? My best friend's daughter calls me Uncle Mike, so that's cute. Very cute. Okay, so right there, now cheap trade, stop loss break even. And I am actually going to dip at 90, that's 100. I'm going to dip right there. I'm out. I dipped a little early, $100 with a mini, but you could ride it to the bottom of the range. You could do your 10 points. You could do the 12 points. That's how you play range. Different tools in the tool belt. That's all it is. It's just different tools in a tool belt. So we stay on, you stay on here. You try to find a million moves, but you're in a range. So play the freaking range. You want to wait for a certain thing to happen, you can. I played the range. I'm smart because because look, this is why I consider myself more educated, more, experienced. Look at this candle. The 5 minute body closed above the wicks, right? Now you want to learn more, join the group, and I'll come in and show you. I do this every day, guys. Like that's win number 2 for the day. And so anyways, winning in the morning, winning in the evening. On that note, I hope you guys type the W's in chat. Everybody that got a W on that trade, type it in chat right now. Smash the like button if you haven't. Tick the notification bell. Smash the subscribe button. You guys, doing this live for you daily. Literally in here every single day. So if you appreciate that and you want to rely on somebody where you could go to their channel and you can see this fool doesn't play around, then I am that guy. Okay, I'm that guy. If I have, I swear right now, now guys, if you have W in chat, it's because you saw this chart right here in real time. You saw me put this in. So who saw that? Who's with me there?
Hey, can you take the poll off or whatever you got?
Yes, yeah. Let me take that poll off real quick. Yeah. I wanted to see what people said real quick. But who saw that? Who got that move? Type me in chat if you got that move. If it's just one person, it's gonna be funny because in this morning's live stream, I was very clear. I told y'all what I'd be doing. So let me see the poll real quick. Okay, 45% say all of the above, and 55% say spotting potential breakouts. I don't use that's interesting. That's really interesting. 55% say potential breakout. It's really interesting. So I don't really determine, like for me anyways, determining overall volatility. I don't really use, I don't know, volatility to me. I mean, yeah, you can use range to determine volatility, but I guess, but because you can measure, right? That's a good one. Now that I rethink that, I kind of rethink my answer. I think it is more all above. You determine volatility. I definitely measure risk to reward ratios 100% because I have a range which gives me targets, and spotting potential breakout points. Absolutely, you're spotting potential breakouts, potential support and resistance, potential levels like we just traded, man. Okay, so let's look. Okay, so we got Alfred with a W, Lewis with a W. Guys, if you're in my group, you get access to my chart in real time. See that? So these guys saw that. I know I had Bookmap up. On the back end, I had this, and everybody saw it. If you're in the private group and you're wondering what the hell just happened, I told you I share my chart. You get to see exactly what I'm doing in real time. So that was a nice little tiny scalp, and I told you we're breaking above this range. Here's the wicks. We're going higher, and that's exactly what's going on. More bullish than bearish, even though price is kind of choppy. And excuse me, and rolling over. So we got a couple of W's. What do you think, Troy? Should we end it there?
I mean, I don't see why not. Like, got on here, got everybody a W that showed up here early. And
that's 2 W's for the day. Yeah.
Price is pretty choppy right now. I don't think we're going to have anything really crazy go on. We got
she's going to the highs.
Flash CPI tomorrow.
Yeah.
So
if you're joining me,
got a lot of.
Yeah, go ahead.
We do have a lot of trend line liquidity below us, so just looking at that as well. But she's bullish, so she might just say, "I'll come back to you later."
Yeah, she's up at the highs now. So I mean, like, that was a good move. Little fade back. I'm a little bit more bullish. She didn't even test the bottom of the range. She wick tested just like I thought. Basically broke the highs of that little consolidation range. Now moving up to the highs of the day. And from there, she could just break out and continue. She's pretty bullish. ES is pretty bullish. So anyways, that's kind of how I see the day, as being like bullish and choppy, but honestly, like, she didn't push very hard, but it shouldn't have to. Anyways, I'm really happy with today. And I will see you guys mañana, man. Subscribe and do all that jazz if you haven't. Okay, see you mañana. Later.
See you in the morning, guys.
Look for the update.
Bye.
Bye.